In Scandinavia, golden eagles live in the mountains and the lowlands. They are capable hunters, but still they can't survive without the victims which cold and snow claim every winter. Golden eagles are unsocial. They don't tolerate other eagles near their loot. One of them is driven away in the end, even though there is enough for both of them. Who would think of love in such harsh conditions? It remains to be seen if it is love. But golden eagles begin their courtship when it's still winter. Long before the spring sun melts the snow, the ice is broken for the two eagles. They mate up to 30 times before the female lays her eggs in early April. But we'll come back to that. Survival is paramount. An elk cow has fallen victim to the Scandinavian winter and is lying on the edge of a fjord, well preserved thanks to the icy cold. Eagle eyes have quickly discovered the huge food reserve. Now they're racing to get the first and biggest chunks. The fully grown golden eagle gets to the cadaver first and starts to feed on it. But before he gets to the coveted meat of the mammal, he has to work through the elk's dense winter coat. A sea eagle is keeping an attentive eye on the scene. He would love to fight the golden eagle for the prey. It seems to be worth a try. But then it appears that the sea eagle is losing heart. One plucky flap of the golden eagle's wings, and the sea eagle takes off. A second sea eagle swoops down from the perpetual dark grey Nordic winter sky. This one is making more of an impression on the golden eagle, but he's full anyway and leaves the field to his cousin with a large yellow beak. In Nordic mythology, Reisvelgir is a giant in the shape of an eagle who brings wind over the land.